Airstreams are amazing, high-class recreational trailers to own. Their best feature is their shiny and sleek aluminum exterior, but Airstreams are also very strong and durable and make for a great investment. While there are a lot of vintage Airstream trailers on the market, we recommend a newer model that will not only be more reliable, but obviously safer too. Plus, replacement parts will be easier to come by. But whether you've owned an Airstream for years or you just bought a new one, be sure to bring it to KA RV Repair for Airstream trailer collision repairs, inspection checks, and of course your annual maintenance. In the event that your Airstream trailer is involved in a collision, we can also repair the body of the vehicle. Any damaged metal segments on the exterior or interior are replaced with our specialized equipment. If you suspect something is wrong with your Airstream, bring it in for an inspection immediately. Otherwise, Airstream trailers require inspection and general servicing on a recommended annual basis at the very least. Look, we know that owning an Airstream trailer is an investment. KA RV Repair wants to help keep that investment in tip-top shape and working order so that you're ready to leave for vacation at a moment's notice. We are family owned and operated and dedicated to serving the community with care, and we always will be. KA RV Repair is the only place in the area with factory trained technicians on staff and ready to work for your Airstream trailer. Visit KA RV Repair in DeBary, Florida today for Airstream trailer collision repairs and maintenance, and get a free estimate from our website, karvrepair.com.